Alright, so in this episode of Men's Essentials, gentlemen, I'll be revisiting or I'll be redoing one of my old hair tutorials, one of my old hair videos. A video where I discussed on how to use the hair wax right on your hair. I mean, this is something that I've been using for a very long time. Hair wax is something that I've been using since the inception of this channel. So in case you aren't aware, in case you really don't know how to use this properly for the amazing hairstyles, not my hairstyle, for in general amazing hairstyles, then this video can come very handy. This video might help you a lot. So buckle up, get ready. It's about time you get some sexy hairstyles. Gentlemen, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya. This is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so here's the thing. Before I get into the video, before I start the tutorial, or before I share the process of how I use or how I would recommend you use the hair wax appropriately or correctly, I would recommend you watch all the other hair tutorials and all the other hair videos on this channel. I mean, I'm saying so because many of you all have been requesting my haircut videos, many of you have been requesting my hairstyling videos, and I have made them over the last 4 or 5 years in numerous different occasions. And you'll be shocked to know, you'll be surprised to know that I have already made those videos on this channel. In case you haven't watched them, in case you are new to this channel, or in case you're too lazy to watch the other videos, watch this video once and at least watch all the hair tutorials and hair related videos on this hair playlist, and then come back and watch this video. Okay, so now that being clear, that being said, let's get into the hairstyling or hair wax tutorial for the amazing hairstyles. See, the way you use a hair wax is completely different than hairsprays, gels, mousse or pomade. I mean, pomade is still somewhat similar, but everything else, every alcoholic hairsprays and gels are completely different than a hair wax. So please keep this thing in mind, please be aware of this thing. If you want to use a hair wax, you have to own and try the hairstyles or try the process using a hair wax. You can't expect the same result, you can't expect the same magic using a hair gel or a hairspray. Okay, so the first step here is damping my hair. Now I usually do this, I usually style my hair right after my bath or right after my shower. So my head and my hair is already soaking wet. I'll use a towel, I'll damp it off, I'll take out some water using the towel, and then I'll take a blow dryer, I'll put on some pre-styling product if I want, or I'll just start blow drying it to take out the moisture, to take out the water from the hair. So once that's done, once I have the plain level field to work with, once I have the dry hair to work with, I'll take out a very small amount of hair wax, typically around this much, like your fingernail size, and I'll start working this in my hair. The very easy way to do it is you warm it up in your palm, because see, hair waxes in general are nothing but solidified chunk of beeswax and water and some other ingredients. So for you to have that hair wax completely ready to be applied in your hair, you have to warm it up first. So now that I have emulsified the hair wax, you can't see anything, you can't see any leftovers in my hand. Therefore now I can use it in my hair. I can start using it in my hair to get the appropriate hairstyle. The easiest way to do it, the most effective way to do it is building it via layers. I don't want to use a whole lot of hair wax at the very first go. I'll use some of it. I'll go through the process once. I'll start this from the back and then I'll do it at the side. And at the very end, at the very crux of it, I'll start applying it from the front. And at the very end, at the very crux of it, I'll start applying it at the front. The point here, the reason I would like to go from behind and sides and then at the front is because I would want the volume to be on the front and not to be on the back. So when I'm applying the hair wax at the back and taking it to the front, I'm giving my hair a lot of support. I'm giving my hair a lot of strength to hold this volume that you see or that you are seeing currently on my hair. I mean, this one tip is probably the most effective thing you can do to your hair to have that consistent volume throughout the day. Now, once I'm done with my first layer of application, I'll see if my hair needs any more wax or any more of layering to add that volume or to add that particular texture. Now in this case, since the length is long, I'll have to do it 2 or 3 times more to get the needed texture and volume on top. But Mayank, can't I get the same result using a hair gel or a hairspray? Well, you can, but the thing is, hair gel or hairsprays are very alcoholic in nature. So if you apply it once, it's done. Like, you can't redo it, you can't retouch it again and again. You can't fix it to its absolute perfection. But on the other hand, a hair wax, especially a matte hair wax, gives you a lot of natural textured look, and it is reworkable, restylable. So you can keep working on your hair, you can keep perfecting it jab tak it's not your absolute perfect style. I mean, that's one obvious reason I'm a big fan of the mighty hair wax. And this is, by the way, Barrett's matte suppression. In case you want to know what hair wax I use, I have made videos on it already. I've been using this hair wax for a very long time, and this is not a sponsored video. I just use it because I love it, and also because I haven't found a close competitive in the Indian market yet. So yeah, in case you want to give this wax a shot, link in description, check it out and do it on your hair and try it by yourself. But for now, this is the quick fix. This is how I do it. Now yes, you can also use a hair wax as a pre-styling agent in case you're in a hurry or in case you don't really have a pre-styling product with you. But be well aware of the fact that a hair wax is not a pre-styling product. Yes, you can blow dry your hair using a hair wax. Yes, you can straighten your hair or you can iron your hair using a hair wax. But do not expect some crazy volume magic. That's not the job of a hair wax. Gentlemen, a hair wax's job is to add some texture and style to your hair. Some texture, style and hold to your hair. That's the job. That's what this thing is supposed to do. So use it like you're supposed to. Do not forget to layer. Do not forget to start small and keep building the layer on top of your hair the way your hair would need, or if it needs it anyway. But hey, that's where I'll conclude this quick video. That's where I'll end this quick little upload. I'll get back to work. I need a haircut, so I'll go do that. I'll probably get something very short now, so expect a new hairstyle in the upcoming videos. But for now, I'll get back to work. I'll get a hairstyle. I'll see you in the next one. You don't forget to dress up, stay strong and stay stylish. Gentlemen, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya. You all have been requesting this video, so thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for requesting. I'll see you soon in the next one.